Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make UI using Figma. Figma is a fantastic, collaborative design tool that helps you create stunning user interfaces. We will start by setting up your design environment. First, create a new file and choose an artboard size that matches your target device, perhaps a desktop frame of 1440 by 1024 pixels. Then, organize your work using pages and frames to keep everything tidy and accessible. Next, let's dive into crafting your UI components. You will use basic shapes like rectangles, circles, and lines to build your elements. Experiment with colors, gradients, and shadows to give your designs visual depth and appeal. A key step is creating reusable components for common elements such as buttons, input fields, and navigation bars. This saves a lot of time and ensures consistency across your entire project, making future updates much easier. Now, let's focus on layout and interactivity. Figma's auto layout feature is incredibly useful for arranging elements, ensuring your designs are responsive and consistent across different screen sizes. After laying out your screens, you can define interactions and transitions between them to simulate a real user flow. This prototyping step is crucial. Always test your prototype on various devices to ensure a smooth and intuitive user experience for everyone, catching any issues early. Finally, it is time to share and export your amazing designs. Figma excels in collaboration, allowing you to share your files with team members for real-time feedback and joint editing. When your design is ready, you can easily export assets in various formats, such as PNG, JPG, or SVG, for development. The final step is handing off your designs to developers, providing clear specifications and guidelines to ensure a seamless implementation of your vision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.